Back in the orders page, we can see all the orders listed in the table. Clicking on the order number on the list will open up the order in a more detailed view. When viewing the order, what stands out is that we can see the header details at the top and the line details at the bottom. On the top of the order, we can see arrows on the left and right of the order number. This will allow us to access the next orders in line. So looking at this order number 22892, we can see certain labels which will be displayed in the header. For example, the customer, the GST number, the branch, when the order was made, when the goods were required, the contact details, the ship to details, the company name, the ABN. In the text field here, we can enter the header narrative text. These are comments made by the customer and they include things like delivery instructions. At the line level, we can see that each line is numbered. Every row in the order line includes line numbers. Under product, we can see the product code and product description. Under quantity, we can see the amount of each item and also the unit of measure. We can see the price of each item, the net amount, the tax on the item and the amount of tax, the gross amount and the status. As you can see here, they are grey and new, which means they have not been invoiced. So to change the status to a processing and then eventually complete, we need to invoice each of the lines. If both lines are ready to be invoiced, all we need to do is make sure they're both selected here on the left and then click on invoice. If only one line is ready to be invoiced, just keep that one line checked and then click invoice. If a customer calls up and wants to cancel the order or the order doesn't get completed through the normal processes, check manually complete. Manually complete the order just by clicking here. This will close the order off from further processing and set the order status to completed. Please note that no response message will get sent back to the customer when doing this. It is just there to manage the orders. Lastly, we can see the important details of the total net amount, the total tax, and the total gross amount. So if you are happy to invoice all line items, make sure they're all selected and then click on invoice.